All right, we have a polynomial plus a polynomial minus a polynomial. We have three polynomials. Polynomials. Poly many nomials, many terms. Our first polynomial has 1, 2, 3 terms. Our second polynomial has 2 terms. Our third polynomial, 1, 2, 3 terms. I'm just going over some vocab here. Terms. All right, within here, there is nothing to combine. That's an S, a U, and a W. Within here, there's nothing to combine. That's a U and a constant term. U, W, constant term. Now check for some distributing. This is number 7. We're not distributing that 7. There's nothing on the outside here. There's a positive 1. Nothing to distribute. There's a positive 1. Nothing to distribute. Ah, there's a minus here. That is a negative 1 that needs to be distributed into this one. So it's going to be plus negative 1 times 2u plus negative 1 times w plus negative 1 times negative 5. Oh, I did it again. Okay, you distributed that negative 1. Really nothing went on here. I'm just going to bring it down. Nothing went on here. I'm just going to bring everything down. But what I am going to do, that is a negative 4w. So I'm going to write it as plus negative 4w plus u minus 10s, negative 10s. We're now adding everything together, and these pluses and minuses are negative signs. These are negative signs. Like, oh wait, we got to math it, then we'll do like terms. Now do some math. We distributed, now we're going to math it. Nothing to math, nothing to math, nothing to math, nothing to math, nothing to math. Here, negative 1 times 2. Negative 1 times positive 1. Negative 1 times negative 5. Positive 5. Just bringing everything else down for the heck of it. I do this. It's just best practice to keep everything. You didn't have to rewrite all that down. You could have just done this and then, yeah, just bring everything down. It's best practice. Bring everything down. Okay. Now we're going to look for our like terms. Like terms. S. U, not the same variable. W, not the same variable. U, not the same variable. 2. U, not the same variable. W, 5. Ah, there's nothing to combine with that. Just bring them down. Choop. U, W, U, nothing, U, W5. So we have, let's write it over here, U plus negative 3U plus negative 2U. You're going to combine your coefficients. 1 plus negative 3 plus negative 2. 1 plus negative 3 plus negative 2. Y'all can use your calculator. Use your calculator on this. 1 plus negative 3. Negative 2 plus negative 2. Negative 4. Done, done, done. All right. Plus negative 4w. That doesn't have a w. Plus negative w. So remember, that's negative 1w. So you have negative 4w plus negative W, negative 1W. Negative 4 plus negative 1. You lost 4 yards, you lost another yard. How many yards did you lose in total? You gave your brother $4, and then he's like, hey, can I have another dollar? You gave him another dollar. How much did you give him? You gave away $5. Okay, I just told you how much it is. Negative 5W, but put it in your calculator. Last, what's left? Plus 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. There you go. You have only one S, one U, one W. You are done combining your like terms. Let's make it look pretty. Let's change all our plus and negatives to the minus signs. There you go. If there's one thing I want this week to really ingrain on you is if you have a negative outside of parentheses, that means there's an invisible negative one you need to distribute. If you have a letter with no number in front of it, that is an invisible one. Okay? And when you have a minus, that's the same as plus a negative. There you go. There's your answer. Thank you for watching.